Welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to convert this solid object into a sheet metal using the shell feature and using the rip and insert bend commands in sheet metal. Let's see how to do it. First of all, go to feature and select the shell feature, and it's asking you to provide the face to remove. You can select any face. I am selecting the upper face and provide the thickness. Let's input to see in preview is creating the shell. You can create outside and inside, and you can change the thickness of the specific faces also. For this, select click here and select any face and change the thickness by providing the value here. This time keep it. The shell has been added. Now go to sheet metal and select the rip. We are going to create a rip in the 4 edges here. Select the edges here, select this one, and last one. Now you can change the direction also, 3 directions, and provide the gap. Keep it 0.5, or you can provide your value. You can see the ribs has been added. Now to convert into the sheet metals, you have to apply the bends. Insert bend. Now it's asking you to select the fixed face. I am selecting the bottom as a fixed face. You can change the bend radius, and you can apply the bend allowances, bend deductions, or key factor. This time let's keep the key factor and default value. You can change the reliefs, and after selecting your parameters, click OK. The bends has been added. Now this final product has been converted into the sheet metal. Click flatten, go to normal, and this is the final flattened sheet metal. That's how you can convert any solid object into the sheet metal using rip and insert, and with the help of shell, creating the hollow shell part. That was in the conversion. See you in the next video. Thank you.